Nurse manager, I'm a bit nervous about handling babies for vaccinations. I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly.
That's understandable, Mihira. Handling babies can be challenging, especially when they're uncomfortable or crying.
Do you have any tips for calming a baby down before a vaccination?
Swaddling the baby can often be helpful. It can provide a sense of security and comfort. You can also try rocking or gently stroking the baby.
What about the actual injection? Should I hold the baby tightly or gently?
A firm but gentle hold is important. Make sure the baby's head is supported and their legs are extended. This will help prevent them from moving too much during the injection.
I'm also worried about accidentally hurting the baby.
Mihira, it's important to be gentle and avoid causing unnecessary pain. If the baby starts to cry or struggle, try to soothe them before continuing.
Thank you for the advice. I feel more confident about handling babies for vaccinations.
Mihira, let me explain my clinical opinion in a bit more detail to reassure you. So, first of all, remember that a fever itself is actually the body's clever way of fighting off infections, including viruses. It's like the body turning up the heat to make it less comfortable for the virus to thrive. In Emily's case, during my examination, I didn't find any signs that strongly suggest a bacterial infection. For example, she isn't complaining of ear pain, which can be a sign of ear infection, and thankfully, she's breathing comfortably without any difficulty. These are often red flags for bacterial infections in young children. Now, about her irritability and lack of appetite. Yes, it is very common when children have a fever. When they are unwell and their bodies are working hard to fight off the infection, they often become more tired, fussy, and lose their desire to eat. It's just their body focusing on healing. As the infection starts to resolve and her fever comes down, you should see her energy levels improve and her appetite gradually return. For now, to help her feel more comfortable and bring down the fever, I would recommend giving her paracetamol or acetaminophen as directed. It's important to follow the correct dosage based on her weight, which I will confirm for you. Does this explanation help ease your mind a bit? And do you have any further questions about why I think it's viral or about the paracetamol?